Hi everyone, welcome to this new Mediterranean recipe. Today we are going to cook in an Airbnb. Maybe you don't want to go to a restaurant, then we are going to make a nice, healthy and a quick Mediterranean recipe. We are going to step out of the comfort zone because we are going to cook in a smaller kitchen than usual. Let's go. Okay, let's start the challenge. So for this challenge, I'm using the saucepan from the Airbnb. And yeah, I'm using all the tools inside the Airbnb, except for my knife. I took my own knife. For the recipe now, I'm cooking some pasta with chicken. And I'm using 5 ingredients that will make this plate very flavored. And I start with olive oil, of course. As you see, I'm using a ceramic cooktop, unfortunately, because I prefer gas cooktop, but we adapt. And for the chicken, I'm removing the humidity so I can sear the chicken perfectly. I'm taking garlic. Yeah, I know I'm using olive oil to sear the chicken. Normally, you don't want to use olive oil and you are going to, yeah, you start seeing why, because it's smoking very fast. But we take what we have. It will work as well. Removing the skin. I turn the chicken around. Yeah, you want to sear both sides. We cut in half. And we remove the sprout to avoid bitterness. So yeah, in this fast recipe I use garlic because garlic gives more flavor into any plate and you can find the garlic everywhere. I want to chop the garlic. Yeah, you see it's smoking, but it's not burning. Huh? That's the issue with olive oil. Yeah, I took 2 garlics, but 1 is enough. And you'll see later what I do with the other garlic. Yeah, nice color. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Mediterranean recipes. Huh? The chicken is ready. And yeah, the fire alarm tells me the chicken is ready. Thank you very much. And I completely forgot that the ceramic cooktop continues to work, even though you turn it off. That's another saucepan for the pasta with some water and salt. And I'm adding the garlic into the saucepan. For the pasta, it will give flavor to the water and to the pasta. Olive oil, and yeah, be very generous with the olive oil with this recipe. This is salt. You've got all the ingredients right below into the description anyway. Time to put the garlic into the saucepan. The heat must be low. Huh? You don't want to cook the garlic. You only want to perfume the olive oil with the garlic. So yeah, be careful. I'm doing this because of this nice ceramic cooktop. It's still high heat, even though I put on low, but we adapt. I took fresh pastas. Please be kind with me. I bought this pasta into the local market. Of course, I didn't take my pasta machine with me during this trip. You want to cook those pasta during 1 minute at the very maximum. You want to have them right before al dente. You are going to finish the pasta with the oil into the saucepan. And hop into the saucepan after I drained them. So you see, I'm deglazing the brown bits with the water and the pastas. Cherry tomatoes. The chicken is still warm. Perfect. This is a medium rare. It's always a challenge to succeed the medium rare. I'm hungry, right? Yeah, all the pasta. Vinegar. It will bring acidity to the plate. Pepper. And I finish with fresh herbs. This is fresh parsley. Italian rainbow. Alright guys, that's my quick Mediterranean recipe you can make in an Airbnb. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, share it with your friends and drop a comment below. See you in the next one. Bon appétit!